Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So this one I will put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have first the derivative of y, the integration of s squared. We have s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. So number 12 divided by 3, we have number 4. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides again. So the integration of this one, we have y. The integration of s to the power of 3, we have s to the power of 4 over 4, and I will put about c number 1 s, because the integration of the constant, you got about s in here, and we have c number 2, that is about the constant number 2. So we simplify this one, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.